Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Minecraft in Infinity Craft. So, let's begin. So, first you would like to get fire and then drag water. You have steam. Next, another fire. Now you got engine. And then you need earth. Put it down here. And then fire. Got lava. Next, we would like to have water. Now we got stone. Next, wind. Put it over here. We got sand. Next to sand is together with the engine. Sandbox. Okay, we're now on the final step. Earth, wind, get dust, earth on dust, planet, and then guess what? Put it over here on Sandbox, and you got Minecraft, and you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.